Hey y'all, good morning. Guess where I'm on my way to? You probably know because I always title my vlogs based on where I'm going anyway. So that's not a surprise, but if you forgot you're watching this, then you can guess. And you'll find out later on. And by later on, I mean like in the next minute probably, because I'll mention it most likely. I'm tired, my eyes burn. And it's crazy how I was in Spain literally less than a week ago, because I came back on a Tuesday and now I'm leaving on a Saturday. I tried doing a British accent there, however it was slightly off, like delayed, low-key. Anyways, clearly I am tired, and that's why I keep saying random stuff. And I might just delete this actually, because it's just like, what do you call it when someone's delirious? Yeah, delirious. I was like, delusional? No, it's not delusional. Delirious. Yeah, it's been a week for sure. Started off the week in a different country, the colonizer country. Then came back, worked, and it was busy. A few days of work. And I had some volunteering going on too, which was great, fulfilling, of course. Wouldn't change a thing. And now we're back on the road for the weekend and a little more. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be a great time. No regrets. However, I'm gonna be exhausted by the time I go to sleep. Thankfully, this place is not like, the time isn't that far ahead or that far behind. Also, you're like seeing my face up close and personal because I don't want to talk loud. Like, it's so quiet. It's literally 4:52 in the morning, and thank God for a delay. Like, that's the only time when I've been, maybe like one or two other times, I've been grateful for a delay, because I've been running like a little late. Like, I could scrape by obviously and still make it. I have not missed a flight yet, knock on wood, and I hope I never do in my entire life. What was I saying? Yeah, so I forgot what I was trying to say. Yeah, I was saying that often, or a few times, I'm grateful for delays, and today's one of those days because I'm tired and I got to relax a little more when getting ready. I have a little more time, especially to find something to eat because I'm hungry. We'll see what's open. I don't know if anything's open right now. And the place I'm going to, the time difference isn't that big. It's not that significant or that great, that large, however you want to say it. So we should be good. We'll be better off. Oh my gosh, I'm out of breath. I walked up the escalators. That is literally a Stairmaster. Just longer. Also, I don't remember where Dunkin' Donuts is in here. Maybe I'm going the wrong way. We will see. Also, this mask, I ran out of the black disposable ones, and these are so small. I need to get a different reusable one because this one looks goofy. Like, my face is way too big for this. Let me go find. Oh, Pete's Coffee might be open, so that might be my spot. We will see. Little PSA, do not leave the toilet seat open, because I hate when the toilet seat is up in general, and doing it on a plane is even worse. Yes, es una cámara que se ha puesto como más popular recientemente. Yeah, a mover los ladies todos lados.
Se llama la Libertad, allí donde está el buey y todo eso, hay restaurantes.
Es a grabar hasta como 1000 años después.
Sí.
so good. Okay, yeah. Focaccia. Ajá. Tienen,
13.75
okay.
sería.
This is so cute. Look at the lemon vibes they have. I ordered the green apple one.
Aunque me rentan, como yo tengo años de rentar, como 18 años, yo no pago depósito, solo así me lo dan.
Yo, it's not that hot actually. Also, I saw my friend again, my plane friend, and it is 9:23 a.m. I got off the plane at around like 8:30 is my guess, and we landed at like a little earlier. My times aren't gonna be completely correct because I was distracted. I was in conversation. I was taking it all in, you know. So I'm on my way to the rental, and also the ladies at the enterprise desk, y'all are thebomb.com. Like, they were gorgeous. I'm like, y'all need to be models. Like, literally, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. Cindy and Marcela, those are their names. Cindy and Marcela. You guys are queens. Period. So I'm on my way, and we'll see. Honestly, I'm so early, and the other girls aren't getting here until like much later. I mean, hours later. So we'll see how much time I have. I need to put sunscreen on before I get sunspots. I feel like they're starting to come on a little bit, and that's not good because summer hasn't even officially started yet. We can't have that happen. Transformers truck, bro. Hello. Qué lindo. Oh, me encanta el gordito. Así son de por vida.
Sí,
Chiquititos.
así tan pequeños. Que te llevará más.
¿Por qué?
Música. Ya voy a ir a ver cómo está el menú y que.
La voy a agarrar. Wait. There's a cat, guys. There's a cat. Pero no me va a arañar.
No, araña. Lo que tienes que es miedo.
Oh, pobrecito. It's okay. Hi. Pero tiene como claws. ¿Tiene uñas largas o no?
Sí.
Es que no le
Porque
quitamos la
entonces
madera.
no, ya, entonces no.
Depende de cómo se agarre.
Sí, como una bebé.
Te chutaron, mami. Te chutaron, mami. Te chutaron.
Se pone como aguada cuando la pasan. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not doing anything. So fluffy. Hey, you're giving me a high five or what? High five.
Ponerle en la bolsa, amiga.
No sé si la agarro o no.
De que no le gusta la chiñada,
Oh,
no
it's
le
okay.
gusta, solo a mi mamá.
Oh, okay. ¿Y si la pongo así? No, tampoco. Okay. ¿Y con él?
Ya puse el gato
Con
para
él.
pelarlo en la.
Ahí está. Oh. Está como un poco frisada. Paralizada, it's okay.
Como está gordito.
Oh. You're so cute, guys. Adios. Come here. She's like, I'm not going to. Get her. Yeah, se fue.
Que se hizo la.
te hacen una... Los chimbolitos
Ajá.
te hacen...
Un pedicure.
Sí.
No sé. I don't know if that's safe, y'all.
Ahí para abajo nace. Por
This is where the water comes from. Pero no se puede entrar aquí, ¿o
No,
sí?
allí, no, aquí no permite.
Sí.
Pues sí, quítatelo. No vayas
Ay,
a moverlo. No vayas a mover los pies. Déjalos tranquilos. No, es que acostumbrate, mira.
Oh my gosh. ¿Por qué hacen eso? Qué raro. Oh my gosh, this feels so
Te
weird.
comen todo lo ya.
Hace demasiado cosquillas. Hace demasiado cosquillas. Hace
Es que
demasiado
está,
cosquillas.
relájate.
No puedo.
Relájate.
Es que hace demasiado cosquillas.
Mira yo.
No.
Mira yo.
No puedo. ¿Y me lo puedo sacar? Pero si lo saco, ¿me van a morder duro?
No, nada, si no te muerden
no,
duro.
ay, no.
Solo hacen cosquillita.
Demasiado cosquillas.
Con que vas a lugares donde pagas esto. Porque
No.
esto te...
Hay uno grandísimo ahí, miren.
Pues sí, no, ahí llegan,
Guys,
pues,
this
y
is
muerden.
crazy.
Mira, te dejan limpio el pie.
Claramente, se siente tan raro. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. I've never felt anything like this before.
Así, mira, ponerlos así, ve, para que te
No,
muerda.
pero los voy a pisar.
No, así, ve. Si un bien listo, no. Mira, te voy a tener esto para que...
Como que me van a comer.
Si es que se comen toda la piel muerta de tus pies.
Hace tantas cosquillas.
Sí, porque te arrancan todo lo más.
Oh my gosh, mire cómo van.
Y si levantas tus pies así, te comen lo de abajo de los pies.
Yo ya los tenía levantados. Estaba paralizada. Gracias.
Tú tampoco se puede... No me gusta porque no es chibolito. Y este es el agua que nace ya en...
Hey y'all, hopefully this battery lasts the whole day. I don't know if it will because we're already at 40 something% and I haven't even picked them up yet. I'm on my way though, and hopefully by the time I get there I should be right on the nose, like they're ready to leave and they haven't been waiting for me. And if they do have to wait for me, hopefully only for the tiniest bit of time, like 5 minutes max. Ooh, that was crazy. I just overtook this one construction vehicle, and on the other side this bus was flying down the hill. Thankfully I sped up, as y'all heard, and I made it. I overtook that construction vehicle super quickly, so I made it back to my lane with plenty of time to spare. But if I hadn't done that and I was being irresponsible by going super chill and being in that lane, cruising in that lane, that bus could have rammed into me because it was turning around a corner. You couldn't see it until the very last second, basically. As I was trying to say, what was I trying to say? Our last stop was to go to the ATM because I wanted to get some cash because there are some places that have cute finds that I'm considering purchasing. Not where I'm leaving from, obviously, because I'm not going back there during the duration of our trip, and it's more for the future during our trip because I saw some cute items at the stores around that area that we were at, and on our trip there, on the trip from there, passed by some cute shops, and I know they probably do not take card. They probably do not have Apple Pay. And so I need cash. And I asked my uncle too, and he was like, yeah, those stores use cash. And I'm like, that makes complete sense. And I told the girlies to get cash, and they have cash, so they're completely fine. They have enough. I'm the one that last minute was like, in the heat of the moment of packing only what I needed, I did not bring cash, because most transactions that we're going to make, we're going to popular tourist spots. They're most likely all going to have cashless options. And that'll be good for me. However, for markets that don't have that cashless option and use only cash, I don't want to miss out on a good find because I don't have cash. So if the girlies don't mind, if Cheery doesn't mind, she can let me use some of her cash, and then I'll Zelle her, obviously, if she has some to spare. We will see. I'm on my way, and I'll check back in most likely after we've settled down in the Airbnb, because I'm trying to save this battery. I just wanted to update y'all. Also, the ATM did not work. We went to this supermarket, and I didn't have my camera on me, so I didn't take a clip. It was pretty cool. I think it's called Maxi Dispensa. I think it's Dispensa. Maxi Dispensa. And it's a supermarket, and there were many ATM machines from different companies, and the only one that had a tap to pay symbol on it did not even have that ability, did not even have that capability. It had the symbol, however the actual reader was not receptive at all. Nothing happened when I tried using tap to pay for my debit card, which is only on my Apple Pay. I don't have the actual card on me. And then for my credit card, the only credit card that worked out of the two that I have with me, it asked me for a PIN, and I don't even remember setting a PIN for my credit card. I don't at all. And I tried using pins that I thought could have worked, that were likely matches in my brain, and those didn't work. So I'm like, what did I set the pin as? Because those were the only possibilities that I could come up with. So I must have made it harder than usual to guess, even for me, which is good in terms of security. However, for this one instance where I needed that one card to work so I can get some cash from the ATM, it wasn't in my how would I say that? I forgot the saying. The point was, it's good overall for security reasons. It's just that if I had gone with something safer in terms of being easier to guess for me, then I probably would have had cash now, and that's okay. I don't mind. I'd rather not have the cash and have a super good pin that I don't even know. I don't even remember. I really don't even remember setting that pin. That's crazy. Those are all the updates I have. Yeah, it's a shame that the reader didn't work, because if the reader had worked, I do know my debit card pin, and I could have tapped with Apple Pay on that reader, put in my debit card pin, and got my money. It's fine. Okay, my battery's dwindling. I will talk to you later. Also, my aunt is so cute. She packed 4 containers of fruit, one for each of our group. She's so cute. And that was all while we were gone, because I visited their house, then we left for a little trip, then we came back, and she had made that. She's so sweet. She put in mango, what else? Oh, jocote, and she put chamoy on top. That's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. And I'm not much of a mango person. However, if you put chamoy on it, I'm gonna eat it. Put chamoy on anything, fruit, and I'll eat it. It's good. It's good. It's good. And I was like, thank you so much. And I was like, I tenedores, because I didn't see any. And I was like, I want them to be able to eat it as soon as possible, because the more you leave fruit out, the less fresh, the less delicious it's gonna be. So I want them to be able to eat it on the way to the Airbnb as I'm driving there and have them enjoy it. And she was like, oh, se me olvidó. So she went in quickly, I got it, and then my uncle bought some napkins because he came up with that great idea of packing napkins. I did not come up with that, and it's great because it's great that he came up with that, because fruit can get messy if you drop it on yourself. It can be sticky. Thank God for brilliant minds. I will check back in later.
Understand Spanish and then a little English. It was just recently. Hi. Didn't want a floor in the water because they felt it was poisonous. And then everyone started going back. It was yellow. Where? Was it Oregon? I don't remember. What was happening? They felt like floor was poisonous, so they didn't want anyone to have it in their water. So they did a phone line here.
Not me. Quick overview. So adorbs. So adorbs.
Oh yeah.
Let me see.
This is precise.
Oh yeah,
like,
very precise.
engineering. Look at
Yeah, that's crazy. Is it? Wait, where's the light?
You know what I like? Bathrooms that you can get wet all around.
Me
Like,
too.
You can wet the entire. There should be a drain somewhere.
It's right there, right?
No,
This.
I meant like here on
Oh
this side.
yeah, yeah. You mean like the whole thing can get wet, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that was what's that place? Let's go. Permiso. Oi. Okay, we're good. Let's go. No, you're good. Are you taking us to the 24/7 ATM?
Yeah, but
Okay.
I need to get my.
Should we?
I mean, but parking. Will parking be harder now?
No, we're just parking.
Well, it's like right
Why
there,
do we
right?
have to park when someone's in the
It's
front?
like 2 blocks away.
Can I? Let me get my debit card.
Okay. Yeah, we sit down anywhere, we get up with wet cheeks. It's so humid. Yep. It's so humid.
What did you think?
Oh, it's a sewer that smells so bad. Should we go? Let's go. This is Tienda China up there. Oh, I thought it was gonna be cold in here. I was mistaken. SPF?
I think it's gonna mess up my
Wow. I'm surprised. That's a lot. I don't know if I believe that. Look at these capybaras. Capybara. 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 Wow.
These are super colorful.
Yeah. More capybaras. So cute. They have cute goods here. I thought there was maybe food here, and there is not.
Any food?
No.
Dang, I forgot if I forgot my toothbrush or not. Let me call Matthew.
Yeah. And here they have chips. A bunch of chips.
How much I have to drink right now? I don't know how much is gonna be left.
Oh, this is an ice cream shop, by the way, if y'all wanted some.
Did you want some?
No, I'm good. I'm ready to go to sleep. I feel like I have eye bags for my eye bags right now.
Here we go.
here's the water.
bank model. It's not there to support you.
I was literally like it's not. Like this. Qué lindo.
What did it?
There's another dog. Look at him. Vamos. Yeah. Whose coins are these?
Mine. Don't you like having coins so you can buy something else?
No, as far as I know. That's not your bag, right? The black bag. Gato. Mira el gato. Uy. It was even cuter when it was sleeping. Now it's awake. It had its head tucked in. And we just, oh, there's another one. So pretty. And we have this walking stick. Uy. Hola. Oh, hairball. We came from up there.
Whoa.
I know, right? It was hard, y'all. It was hard coming down here. I'm not gonna lie. I underestimated it. It was dangerous. This? I think so. It's so open. We made it to the first one. Watch out, y'all.
Hold on, but look back. Just turn over your shoulder. Okay, thank you.
So cute.
And then use the background noise as the sound for when I'm in the bed.
Yes, it sounds so beautiful. Yeah.
Hi, vlog.
We made it. This is our reward. We're not completely done yet, but we made it to the hardest one. This is the hardest one. Woo! Yeah. Say woo! Woo! Gerano, say woo! She's so far away. ¿Cuántos metros? 15 dijiste? Aquí?
15, 10 metros tiene.
10 to 15 meters.
People
Yeah.
don't jump off of this, right?
¿Y la gente brinca aquí o dónde brincan?
Sí, puede brincar de acá, de la roca esta.
Ajá.
por el centro.
Ah, ok, ok.
Antes se podía de ahí arriba. Son 20 metros de altura para
Sí,
acá.
pero ya no.
Ya no hay forma de bajar.
Ah.
Para lavar ropa.
Ajá.
Y si la mueles,
Ajá.
puedes hacer hasta sorbete.
What?
Sí, yo estaba viendo un video de un muchacho que hizo sorbete de esas semillas.
Wow. Multiuso.
Sí, sí.
Qué bueno.
Y el olor que
Guanacaste.
sientes como a eso, como a tamarindo raro,
Yeah.
es de este mismo.
Ah, yo pensaba eso, yeah. That smell, all you smell is this thing. No, it's not coffee. Oh, wow.
You think I can catch it?
It's so
If
pretty.
you go into the forest,
Yeah.
Where? The same one. Oh. She's just saying it's like a Salvador.
Look at that big boulder,
Looks like it's made of dirt.
right? If that boulder moves, will it just fall?
Yeah.
Maybe, right? I think it would. I wonder where it would roll down to.
San Salvador.
I don't think it's that big.
If you can kick that tiny one, it'll roll.
Okay, I think your leg would break.
Fall down that other one that's there.
Oh, I think that's where they jump. In there. I guess we'll see. Okay. He's excited. Bro's excited. He's been waiting for this moment.
This is the whole reason I came here.
Nah, for real. He's like, this is why I'm a tour guide. This is very risky, y'all. I'm doing it for the vlog. Huh? Do a trick, oh. Do it. Dice que hagas un truco. Ok, voy a verte de aquí entonces. Ajá. Woo! Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, clap. Clap. Woo! crazy. I want to do it, but nah, I think I would die. Like my head would explode. Wow. Okay, okay. That's crazy. He's gonna show us a slide now. Ahí. Oh, wait. Espere, todavía no. Todavía no. Okay, wait. Okay, ajá.
Aquí la idea es que no te acuestes.
Okay. Woo! Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Oh, y te sientas ahí abajo. Qué bueno. Okay.
Mira, aquí estoy bien.
Okay. It's not deep there. It's deep over there. And then you just climb up.
Ahí donde cae no es profundo.
Ajá, sí. Vi que te puedes parar, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Ahí. Creo que ella lo va a hacer.
Si se anima.
Pero eso no. Aquí sí. Ajá. Yeah, sí. ¡Ay! ¡Cuidado!
Ok. Aquí.
You see how he's angled? Like straight down? Okay. You got it, Geronimo. No! Please be careful. Angle forward. Lean forward. Yes. Go!
Did you fall forward?
Woo!
I think you did. I don't know. Now I kind of want to go.
Yay! You did it! Good job! I'm so proud of you. She keeps blinking. I'm crying. Is it the sunscreen? Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I can see it, like, now it's whiter on your forehead. Good job. Of course. Yay! She made it! Guys, clap for Geronimo. Yay!
Thank
It's
you.
so cute, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's next?
We forgot to wait for her. I told him how we abandoned. No. I was literally bleeding. I went to Sky Zone with Matthew, and they have this steep slide, but it's for like small kids, and we went on it anyways, and we went down, we flew up, hit the mat, but the mat was hard, and we hit our elbow so hard that we both had holes in our shirts.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's horrible.
That tough. Like, it was a hard mat. I thought it was soft. My elbows were hurting. Maybe.
That doesn't sound kid safe to me.
I think because if you're light, like you're like,
Right.
yeah.
But
like,
they're heavier
like,
kids.
People like under 50 pounds.
Yeah,
No,
that's not fair.
Yeah, we saw a 5-year-old go on it. And I was like, oh, for little babies. Did they fly?
Who's next?
They probably didn't even go up.
Yeah, plug your nose. Great. Remember, lean forward and plug your nose. You can do it. Cheery, don't think about it. Just go. You'll be fine. Your sister did it. Come on. Lean forward. You'll be fine. Can you show her where you went? Thank you.
Yeah.
Parte lisa, mucho cuidado. Ya ves que le No.
How do you feel?
Did it hurt?
Sure.
Did it hurt when you went down?
No. I thought it was going to. That's how it was. You thought you were going to hit the rock?
Para el frente, para atrás no.
Okay. Alright, ready?
Yeah. What are you screaming for already? Wait.
Oh my god!
Can I zoom in?
A little bit.
Oh no.
Oh my god! That was scary! That was crazy. I would never do that.
Never?
Never do
Not
that.
one too many times. I know. He's gonna be like, watch this. Go to the top of the tree. I can't stick it out. You promise? I promise. You can do it. Loose. You can do it. Okay, I'll go. I believe in you, Chitty.
You're going there?
You want a countdown? You ready? Where are you gonna go?
Off the slide? Let's go, Church. Off the slide.
Pero, he's saying go in that spot where the water's landing.
Yeah.
Pero,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, Chitty.
She said wait.
Can't you go?
Are you ready? Oh.
Are you FaceTiming her? I hope you're not. Don't.
Forget it.
Don't do it.
Lisa, vamos.
Hey!
Okay, go.
Now I'm scared again. Okay. Are you going, Haley? Yeah.
Chitty.
Cheery, cheery, cheery.
And both of you are gonna go?
Huh? Lucy, she's gonna go. Okay.
Yes. I know.
You're holding up the line.
No, girl. There's no line.
You see, he's even waiting for you to get a jump. You can do it, sister. In
You can
Jesus'
do it.
name,
Do
amen.
you want me to push you?
No, you need to
No,
jump.
I'm asking genuinely. That helps people. Okay.
Wait.
Oh, yeah, they're going to. Okay.
Good, Chitty.
They won't reach you. You're good. Yeah.
Does it hurt?
Ay.
I'm
Yes.
so proud of you.
Yes.
Woo!
She did
Good
a
job, Jerry.
she did a good job, right?
She did a good job. That was awesome.
Are you ready?
No. Creo que me estoy enfermando. Okay. Ay, no.
No lo pienses.
¿Cómo no lo voy a pensar?
No lo pienses. Recuerda, hacia ahí.
You like it, Zoe?
Vamos.
In Jesus' name, you'll be all right. Amen.
Does it hurt? Does it hurt?
Ay, ¿me desmayo?
Solo da el paso. Hacia ahí, hacia ahí.
No puedo.
You can.
Was it a long pole?
Solo un paso nada más. Lo piensas en el aire.
Chitty. Chitty. Did it hurt? Did it hurt?
Was it terrifying?
No, doesn't.
Okay, thank you.
Yo te ayudo a cualquier cosa.
Okay, wait, let me go back again. Would you do it?
Yeah, I would.
Okay.
Why did you go back?
Here we go. Okay. Ay!
Vamos, vamos, vamos. ¿Tú puedes? Ya. Eso. Vamos, Isha. Ahí está cansado.
Yay!
Here. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you can do it, girl. Literally, once he moves, just don't think about it, like they said, and go.
Yeah.
Go straight like this.
No,
No.
don't do that. Don't look down like I did. Yeah.
Oh, them dang chips.
Yeah, them dang. Yeah.
You said don't.
Yeah, don't look down because that's how I sat down. You have to straight. Yeah, recto. Which is better. You won't be looking down. And plug your nose.
Plug my nose?
Yeah. Hold your nose and look straight forward. And be like a board, straight.
And I would close the water, that pressure in my eye, like in my left, because I didn't close it completely. I felt it.
Yeah, and close
In
your
her eyes.
Yeah.
Close everything.
Close everything. Close your butt.
No one's that. Yeah. Just do that. Exactly that.
Yeah.
Okay, you got it, sister.
You got it. You got it.
Oh, look at her. Flawless.
That was
so smooth.
Wow.
Good.
Yes. That was amazing.
Ustedes van bien de agua, ¿verdad?
Are we good with water? Sí, gracias.
It's almost time to eat my shit.
Hey, baby. Hi, baby. Siéntese. 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 Siéntese.
It's a village dog.
You don't listen.
Nos vemos, Pingu.
Oh.
Oh, this looks like Kenya.
I flipped the camera on myself.
Tadpoles in the water. Look at these little frogs. And then they come out. So these are tadpoles become frogs. These are not tadpoles. This, this is like, oh, look at that ant carrying that yellow.
These are big, bad ants.
Oh, this one's going home. Hey. Oh, you knocked its food off. Oh, that's a big one. It's just it's like it's on deployment, just trying to make it back home to its family. Now it's looking for it. Okay.
Oh, it's a baby.
Oh my god,
It's a
the baby frog.
Qué lindo.
You got it, Luz! Woo!
That's crazy. This cat is pregnant again, they say. What? He said she gave birth like 5 times. This would be the 6th time.
Did they only give birth to one cat at a time? Okay,
I think it depends. Yeah, they can't do multiple. Wow, they're coming. We just sat down. That's the guy with sauce of. So. Yeah. They have avocado for coffee. But you're feeling matcha.
I'm feeling matcha now.
Okay.
I'll get the matcha affogato now and like a berry matcha after.
They have horchata latte.
Panela coffee.
Panela. It's like a hard cane sugar.
We're not eating.
Like a block of hard cane sugar, kind of like that.
Brown sugar.
It's like brown sugar vibes.
Like latte.
Yeah. Huh?
Wait. I wonder what the sizes are.
I think it's one if it has one price, but I don't know. Sí. Sí, sí, sí. Tienen diferentes.
What would you say?
Oh.
Like, they can't really say no. It's not really a drink, yeah?
Yeah, I thought it was a drink.
Thank you.
There's Pink Panther up above.
11,000.
So cute. Peppers. Also, these peppercorns are different colors. Just waiting for the bathroom.
It is.
This sounds like a washing machine. Yeah, yeah,
This
thank
sounds
you.
like Justin Timberlake's song. The only ones in English are like malls.
At a mall? Oh, yeah, yeah, same. At the mall here.
Oh, this is amazing.
Oh, this is so pretty. Wow. One. But I don't have that holder. I should get one of those holders though.
Is it kind of like a French press?
Yeah, yeah, it's kind of like that, yeah. Okay. I bet the lady's like, hello. I don't know where she went. She's like, y'all sat outside. But yeah, exactly. Okay. Yeah, let's go outside. This is very modern vibes. But it's not devoid of color, like we were talking about.
Which I don't like.
Yeah.
I know. Let me just post.
This is for Irish cream. Another one. Tiramisu. What are you ordering?
I want an ice cream. This is so fancy.
Yeah.
For the most part, people are just there, but they want like the markets though. They do like, oh, let's come here. I'm like, oh, send that. Wait, can we take a selfie in here? It's pretty.
Yeah, I agree. It's
Let's go back.
But the Irish coffee was really good. The other
Not
one
for
was
real.
really good, but to me, thanks.
Yeah, I prefer that.
Not that. People are just eating it.
We made it to the mercadito San Miguel. We're gonna have a great time exploring everything there is to see here. I've been wanting to come here for so long, for a long time. Look there. Oh, they're playing Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs in the back. This is so adorable. You don't have to pay to park or to enter. Yes. Wait, everyone's tripping over that.
Grandparents and the dads will make sit here.
I
So
know.
that women can shop in peace.
No, literally, that's smart. We're watching the movie. Oh. You're bad. If we pause it, we'll get kicked out and banned.
It's like Americans.
Yeah. It takes a while to start moving. Oh, that was really quick.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Look at these stairs.
Right.
Door opening.
Okay, let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wow.
I'm just looking.
Yeah. This is so beautiful. I would wear that, honestly. I've never had a quince, so I could come here and have one. Or buy that dress and ship it to US. I know, because they're quince dresses. SpongeBob Global. Wait, is this the one where Ice Spice is in it? No, right?
She watched it. She said no.
Okay. Really?
It's good, yeah.
Good. Okay, rate it. Everyone has to rate it.
This is like something I've had.
8.5.
Like plantain?
8.5.
This is a
Okay.
plantain?
Yeah.
Oh.
It kind of tastes like, I forgot what it is, but it's Colombian food. It has guava and cream cheese.
Okay. Oh, I've had that before. I forgot what it's called. Yeah.
And plantain.
Maybe I-
plantain.
Yeah.
I really like this. I'd give it a like an 8.5. I would give it a
the same
higher
thing as
score
her.
if it was more crispy.
Yeah, everyone makes it differently. Yeah, I like the crispier ones too.
Yeah, but I like the flavor a lot. It almost
Right.
tastes like coconut inside. I don't know how to describe it. Like coconutty.
You mean the cream inside?
So what do they do? Like mash? They cook the plantain and mash it and then make it into balls and deep fry it?
Yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah.
And it's not too sweet.
Right. Yeah, that's what I like about it too. Yeah, me too. Some sweets can be way too sweet, especially the ones with syrup in them. It gets overwhelming. What is your rating?
9 out of 10.
Wow.
So
I'm glad you guys enjoyed. Empanada de plátano.
Empanada de plátano.
So plantain empanada, basically. Yeah. Yay. Grr.
So far, I've liked.
Oh yes, yes. What would my verses be? Okay, so you can check it out here. Oh, my bad. No, you're good, you're good.
Look at this. What's
That's a McFizz, like a fizzy drink.
well, it's just only
I think
here.
it's only here, yeah. That's orange with tahini, and it's sweetened.
I wonder
Yeah.
what these flavors are. Pink? Oh my gosh,
Ooh. Pastel queso, like patatas? Oh, like wedges, potato wedges. Hecho en España. That makes sense because we saw Nick Pop in Spain. Oh wow, that's really cool. Mango sundae.
Look, the McFlurry with tahini.
Cornbread. Pastel de elote, yeah. Or corn, yeah. Cheesecake.
Oreo McFlurry with strawberry.
Tostada de jamón y queso, tomate y queso.
Elote cake? I think that's cornbread.
Yeah,
Or something similar to
we saw that.
pineapple. What are these flavors? This song. It doesn't describe it. You didn't have a public bathroom?
Yeah, I would assume so. So pretty. We made it to the Starbies. They have beautiful stained glass. Really cute, really cute. So they opened the door for us too as we were coming in. Métodos de preparación, showing you different methods of preparing coffee. It's so beautiful here. We will have to explore the second and third floor. I'm hungry. We heard loud sounds and it turns out they're having fireworks outside. Look how pretty it looks through the stained glass. And I think they're ending it. Going so fast now. Oh, I think they finished. That was so pretty. I was gonna say they have macarons. Macarons.
And then like, as Blue stopped listening, that's it. Same name everywhere. It is, except it said in more like Spanish. You just say, you know.
Aww.
Yeah. What did you say? Teeth were both the same. What did?
We even have fertilizer on the left. Right? Hey. But why was it only... Wait a second. This is a little fancy. Yeah, basically, like, what really differentiates it is, yeah, the sound a little bit, but also the artist, like, who's making it.
Guys, the baby train.
Oh, wait, I'm about to get run over by the baby train. Wait, okay.
Look at this. Blue, right?
Hey, yeah, you're so right. So cute.
Chinese people make.
It was a collaboration, yeah. 3.
Who's driving this bus?
Hey, fire, fire, fuego, fuego.
How do you put the how do you slow it down?
Hey.
How do you do it?
Who's driving this bus?
Okay, but like
Bro, this is a party train.
okay.
Y'all could improve the diversity on these. Oh,
You're
that's
a
so
dragon?
cute.
Doesn't matter.